This is a review of the Android 10-inch tablet that is from Android, and it's 8 gigabytes RAM, 64 gigabytes, and it's expandable to 1 terabyte. And it also has a Wi-Fi. Pretty much, it also is. It comes with a stand that it also comes with, so it's like a case cover, and you can make a stand as well too. It is portable. It's for both for your work purposes and entertainment purposes. And I'm gonna be doing an unboxing, showing you guys what you get inside the package, and also whether or not if this tablet in particular is worth it. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so I have the package open, and this is what you get. So you get the instruction manual from Android. It says Android tablet, so it comes with instructions in case if you don't know how to use it or operate. It comes with that. Then it comes with pretty much you get the wire cable to pretty much charge it up. And this is an Android, so pretty much you charge it up like that. And the tablet itself, I'm gonna pull this out and show you guys how it exactly looks like. So I have everything set up, and I have it turned on. I had to pretty much put the Wi-Fi and everything set up, so now everything's done. Now these are the stuff that it offers. So it offers assistant, calculator, calendar, camera, Chrome, Google Chrome. Then it offers a clock, contacts to list your contacts, a Google Drive, a files, find device, so if it gets lost you can use that, a Gmail. It comes with everything that you ask for from a tablet, and Google Maps as well there too. Then we also get Service Home, then we get the settings, the Play Store, Android Play Store, then we get the YouTube as well there too, and it also comes with the built-in Netflix as too. So from there you can watch movies and pretty much set up Netflix on there too. And this is all the stuff you expect from a tablet, and I am overall very happy with this product. This tablet exceeded my expectations. It comes with a built-in case, so from there it's your option if you want to take this off. But also the best part about this tablet itself is that you could pretty much fold it up just like that and then use it up. If you're trying to watch some movie, you could lay it like that and pretty much fold it the other way and then pretty much use it like that. Like I mentioned before, you use YouTube, the Android Play Store. It has everything that you expect from a tablet, and I'm overall happy with this product, and I would definitely recommend this tablet if you are pretty much going to use it for your work purposes or for your entertainment purposes. Then this is probably one of the best tablets to get, and I would definitely highly recommend this product if you're looking for a tablet that's pretty much to do your work or for entertainment. Then this is probably one of the best Android tablets to get.